Alright, we're back in here, step 15. Now, we've put the other parts away, which are the base and the base to the base. So I guess you could call this, let's call this the neck, and the other one is the base. So here are all the pieces that we're going to need to build this piece here. It's a little more intricate, and it's going to be for the arm. So, looks like we're going to have, let's start off with these guys here. Looks like we're going to need the gray ones. No, are they gray or are they white? Doesn't look like the gray ones, so let's use the white ones. So we're going to put those in 3 in. And it's going to be diagonal. So it looks like diagonal is the best way. We want to put these in there. Okay, so that's one. Well, let's put it exactly how the picture shows. I put it the other way around by accident. So let's just move that there. Okay. Alright, so we've got those ready. Okay. Now the next step is how is this going to go? So we're going to do these 2 white ones. Okay, I'm going to start off with just... Okay, so I'm going to start off with one of these here. So it looks like we got to do like a sandwich of some sort. So we're going to use gray ones and white ones here. The white ones are a little shorter than the gray rivets because they don't need to go through 3 levels, they just need to go through 2. So put those in first. Now they have these longer rivets, which are actually the gray ones, the only gray ones, and those are going to be used to go through 3 levels. Okay, so that's what we're left with there. This is actually going to go on the other side. I realized I did this boo-boo, but not a big deal. Alright, so we've got that one done. Now let's move to this one. Do the same thing. 2 white. This one over here. Let's mount that. Okay, and this one here. with the gray ones. Okay, so now we have these two parts built. Now we have to take these parts here. It looks like, okay, so let's take the white ones. This is a little tricky. I'm going to mount one side first. And again, everything is diagonal. Remember that. Everything is diagonal. Okay, just so you can see how that is. And we're going to do the exact same thing with the other one, with white ones. These are going to be trickier, so I'm actually separating the rivets. Whoops. Made a little boo-boo there. Doesn't get mounted there. It's mounted to here. You know, this probably isn't as hard as I'm making it seem, just my hands are pretty big. If you have smaller hands, it's probably a lot easier to get in there. Alright. So, that's the first part to step 15. Okay. So, that was the blowout. Now, what we need to do, so let's put this to the side. And we're going to construct the other blowout, because then later on it's going to be merged together. We're going to need to grab these guys here and here. And it looks like yeah, sure enough, there it is. So we've mounted this part here with the orange rivets, and we'll continue to do the rest. Okay, so I'm seeing one little mishap here. So it looks like we're going to have to mount some of these over one, because we need to make room for the single brackets. So I'm just going to move these over, and you punch them out with the rivet tool. Now we're going to mount the black rivets from the bottom. So we can put these joints here. And it doesn't matter how you mount them at first because they spin around after. So you shouldn't have to worry about that. And there you have this piece here now, constructed and ready to go. So we've built these two pieces, now we have to put them together. So basically, what it looks like, this is going to mount on here somehow.